Absolutely picture perfect lovingly maintained home offers expansive, updated kitchen with gorgeous granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, spacious living room filled with lots of natural light and lots of charm, arched doorways and built-ins. Beautiful property offers lots of mature gardening spots, nice unilock patio, and you will appreciate the location with its quiet end of the road location yet close to all. With a fabulous kitchen, it is a perfect home for entertaining family and friends and then walk to the private lake for kayaking, paddleboarding or fishing. Exterior painted and new gutters 2020, new roof and new skylight 2019, tons of storage in the unfinished walk-in attic and full basement plus low heating/cooling costs with the Mitsubishi split system. Well priced for all it offers. Call for an appointment today to see this darling home.